another Behind the Pixels, and today we're going to be talking all about furnaces and their upgrades, because furnaces can be upgraded. So furnaces are crafted like this. I probably should have switched to swap, but whatever. Yeah, furnaces are crafted like this and can be upgraded into blast furnaces like that, and and into smokers like this. You can use any mixture of logs, woods, and stripped wood and stripped logs. Wait. Well, maybe not any mixture. Yeah, probably not any mixture. Sorry about that, I probably should have tested. And yeah, my mistake. And yeah, using a furnace could not be simpler. All you need is some sort of fuel in the bottom slot, so mostly wood-related items, as well as blaze rods and a few others. And then any sort of thing that can be smelted. I'm going to be doing a video on smelting stuff soon. Blast furnaces smelt ores twice as quick. So yeah, they smelt ores twice as quick, and smokers cook food twice as quick. Can't even remember what the cooked food is. Here. Raw food. So yeah, blast furnaces cook ores twice as quick. Meanwhile, smokers cook food twice as quick. Let's see how the arrow's going. Faster than normal. And of course it burns through fuel quicker as well. Furnaces were first added in INDEV 0.31 for Java and Alpha 0.3.2 for Bedrock. There's one more crafting recipe, but it's exclusive to Java Edition. Minecart with furnace, which is crafted with a minecart and a furnace. And yeah, basically, what it does is if you give it coal or charcoal or coal blocks, it actually boosts minecarts in front of it. It's pretty slow though, so that's probably why it never came to Bedrock version. But yeah, it would basically be something like sort of like that. Normally they wouldn't do that. Okay. But yeah, they'd shunt a whole bunch of minecarts together, and yeah, that's the furnace. Oh yeah, click the furnace for a video on cobblestone, and I'll be seeing you for another Beyond the Pixels. Goodbye.